Get ready. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, start. The petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 are present before the court along with their respective learned advocates. I have heard the learned advocates of the both petitioners. I have also heard the both petitioners personally. Perish the case record. This is an application White number 63 dated 9/1/2000 filed by the petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, praying for dissolution of their marriage by a decree of divorce on mutual consent. Accordingly, this case was registered under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. From the case record, it is appeared that the both petitioners got married on 1/5/1990 as per Hindu social forms. From the case record, it is found that the both petitioners lived together as husband and wife till the month of September 1995. From the case record, it is found that the both petitioners have been living separately from each other since 1995, and this case has been filed on 9/1/1995, which means the both petitioners have been living separately from each other since more than 1 year back from the date of filing of this case. So, there is no legal bar in filing of this case under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. From the case record, it is appeared that after filing of this case on 9/1/1995, the both petitioners have been given 6 months of time to think and decide on their own. From the case record as well as from the oral submission of the both petitioners, it is found that since more than 1 year from before the date of this case and after filing of this case until today, they have been living separately from each other and there was no cohabitation or reconciliation between the both petitioners. Today, the petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 have filed a joint petition in affidavit White number 2219, praying to get their marriage dissolved by a decree of divorce on mutual consent, as they have been living separately from each other since the month of October 1995, and till today there was no cohabitation or reconciliation between themselves. Thus, it is found that for more than 1 year since before filing of this case and for 6 months after filing of this case, until today, the both petitioners have been living separately from each other and no cohabitation or reconciliation had taken place between themselves. I therefore find no reason to disregard the petition filed by the both petitioners for dissolution of their marriage by a decree of divorce on mutual consent. Hence, the petition under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is allowed. The marriage between the both petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 is hereby dissolved by a decree of divorce on mutual consent. Prepare decree accordingly. Stop.